This is a quick little video just to show how we can create our own frequency table and histogram. So I've got a list of quiz scores here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, etc., right? And to create the frequency table, I'm going to look at each of those categories, so scores 1 through 5, and then I'm going to count up how many are in each category. So for the 1, I have 2 scores there. For the 2, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are 2s. For the 3s, there are 4 of those. And for the 4, there are 2. And for the 5, there is just 1. So then I put that into my frequency table, right? So the frequency table, first column is your category. Second column, how many in each of those categories. Now all that the histogram is a picture, visual representation of that information. And a histogram is going to have numbers on both axes. So on my horizontal axis, I have my numbers there. These are the scores. And my vertical axis is going to be the frequency. So on the bottom here, between 1 and 2, that's going to represent my 1, my score of 1. And it says in my table that I have 2 of those, so that blue bar goes up to 2. Then between 2 and 3, that's my 2. I have 5 of those, so that red bar is really tall. It's at 5. Now I chose to use different colors, but you could use them all the same. You could center your number under each of those, or you could do it as I have and just make it like the starting point is the category. There are various ways to do it. There's not a necessarily right way to do it. But the features are basically the bottom is the category, the vertical is the frequency, and then you just get to draw some bars and color them in. Let me know if you have any questions.